Hello everybody, welcome back to the 4th grade Math Corner. Today we're going to be doing Module 7, Lesson number 8. Our learning target for today I will add and subtract problems with ounces and pounds. Ounces and pounds are ways that we weigh things to see how heavy they are. The most important thing you need to know about adding and subtracting with ounces and pounds is this one conversion that I have written right here. It is 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So anytime you are going to be adding with ounces and pounds, you need to remember this, that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, or 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. Let me show you what I mean as we get started with some of these practice problems. Right here, I've got the problem 11 ounces plus 5 ounces equals blank pounds. Well, I can simply add these two together because they are the same. So I will do 11 plus 5, and I know that that will equal 16 ounces. Now, the problem is not asking me for what is the answer in ounces, it is asking me for what is the answer in pounds. And if I remember my conversion, I know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Well, look at that. I've got 16 ounces, so I know that the answer to this problem is 1 pound. Let's do a little bit more difficult one here. Over here, I've got 1 pound, 1 pound and 7 ounces plus 9 ounces equals blank pounds. Well, I know that I could add up my ounces together that I've got right here, my 7 and my 9, but I need to do something with this 1 pound. I need to convert it into ounces. I know from my conversion that 1 pound is 16 ounces. So I'm going to rewrite this 1 pound as 16 ounces. So what is 16 plus 7 plus 9? Well, I know that 6 plus 7, that would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And yes, I still count with my fingers. So I bring my 2 up into my tens place, and I know that 2 plus 1 is 3. So I've got 32 ounces. Now again, my problem is not asking for it to be in ounces, it's asking for it to be in pounds. I need to determine how many times I can pull out 16 from 32. Well, let me zoom in here and get a little bit more space. So 32, how many 16s can I pull out? Well, I know I can pull out at least one. What is 16 plus 16 equal? Let's see. 6 plus 6, I know is 12. So that's, oh, there it is. So I've got 2 16-ounce portions. I know that 1 16-ounce is equal to a pound. So if I've got 2 16 ounces, I know that I have got 2 pounds. So my answer is 2. Let's try a little bit more difficult one down with, let me put there we go. A subtraction problem. So I've got 1 pound and 11 ounces, and my answer is supposed to be in ounces this time, not in pounds. So I need to convert this pounds into ounces. I remember 1 pound is 16 ounces, so I'm going to change this into 16 ounces, and I'm going to subtract 11 ounces. So 16 minus, not plus, apologize for that. 16 minus 11 would give me 5 ounces. Wow, that wasn't so hard actually. let's move on to another subtraction problem. I'm going to erase a little bit of this, give myself a little bit cleaner workspace here. 12 pounds minus 8 ounces equals something in pounds and something in ounces. So what this is telling me is it's not going to be a perfect conversion of perfect amount of pounds. I'm going to have some leftovers. Let's get to work. Well, I've got 12 pounds minus 8 ounces. I could convert all of this into ounces. That would be a lot of math. I would have to do 16 12 times. 16, 16, 16. I don't have enough room for all of that, so I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do instead, to save a little bit of space, is similar to our last unit when we were doing our mixed numbers, where I would just take one of them. I'm going to leave 11 pounds. Okay, there's 11 pounds there. And I'm going to take out 16 ounces. Because 11 pounds, 16 ounces just equals 12 pounds. So if I've got 11 lb, man, that one looks the same. Let me put these on there just to give them a little difference. 11 lbs, 16 ounces, minus 8 ounces. Well, I need to look at, what am I subtracting my pounds? 11 minus, I'm not subtracting it from these because these are in ounces. So I'm not subtracting my pounds at all anymore. So I can just write 11 right there. Now what is 16 minus 8? That equals 8 ounces. Boom, just like that, we're done. Let's go ahead and look at this next one here. Ooh, wow. Okay. We've got 5 pounds, 8 ounces, plus 9 ounces equals something in pounds and something in ounces. Well, I don't need to convert this at all because I'm adding. So I could just put that 5 right here, I think. But let me add these ones first. Let me add my 8 and my 9. I know that 8 plus 9, well, look, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 ounces. So I could write my answer as 5 pounds, 17 ounces. But there's a problem here. 17 ounces is more than a pound. Whoops. Erase that. 17 ounces is more than a pound. I remember from my conversion that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So, if 17 ounces is more than a pound, I'm going to subtract 16 from this, and I'm left with 1. So that basically is 1 pound and 1 ounce. I really don't like those ones that look like the L's. So if I add 1 pound and 1 ounce to my problem, it's going to turn from 15 pounds, 17 ounces into 6 pounds and 1 ounce. Not so bad. Let's take a look at our last one that we're going to practice with. 21 pounds, 8 ounces, plus 6 pounds, 9 ounces. Okay. Well, let's start out by adding our like units. So I'm going to add my pounds, and I'm going to add my ounces. So I'll add my pounds first. 21 plus 6. Well, 21 plus 6. That equals 27. 27. Now I'm going to erase that because I'm going to need more space here. 27. Now I need to do my 9 ounces plus my 8 ounces. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Again, yeah, I'm using my fingers. Don't judge. 17 ounces. Well, this is the same thing as last time. I recognize that this 17 is more than 1 pound. So I'm going to actually go ahead and convert this to 1 pound and 1 ounce, because 16 ounces is 1 pound. So I've got 16 plus 1, 17. Now I need to go back and add this 1 pound right here into this one. So instead of it being 27, it's actually now going to be 28. And instead of this being 17, it's just going to be 1. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. And that is how you add and subtract problems with ounces and pounds. If you need any further help, please reach out to your teacher or watch the video again. You can always pause and go back.